We're learning to play Shepherd's Melody, and you should already be able to play the whole of the first section up to bar 16, which was all in a compound time signature, 6/8. So it's in twos, it's going 1, 2, 1, but each beat could be split into a little set of 3 if you needed it to be. So you can get 1 and 2 and what I call a very folky sort of melody. And also it was in the key of G minor with the B flat. So that's the natural minor for that. Now this next section is deliberate contrast. The last section was slow. This section is going to be fast. It's also going to be in G major with F sharp in it. Remember, G major's got F sharp, so that's going to give us a lovely contrast between G minor and G major. Then, what else? Also, we're now in a simple time signature. We're counting in 4s, but instead of it going 1 and 2 and 3, and it's going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. A simple time signature. Right, let's have a look at the left hand first, because that's easier. In the left hand, you've got a G and a B natural. Now, it doesn't give you the fingering, but you just ended in this position, so stick with what you've got here. So the left hand goes like this, a G and a B natural, because now we're in G major, so it goes. So that's the feel of it. Dum, 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 dum. Imagine a drum going dum, 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 dum. It's going to be the feel when it's fast. So you've got the line, the tenuto, so make that stand out, and then so it's bam, 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 bam. So you've got 2 whole bars of that. So you've got then another bar. Then it changes to a C. Then back to the B. Then another bar of the same. Then back to the C. Then a long chord. 2. Now you may wonder, hang on, how could the piece end there? Above it says D, C, Al, fine, which means you go back to the beginning and you play up until you see the word fine, which means the end in Italian, which is the end of the 3rd line. So that's what will happen there. So it doesn't really end at the bottom of the page. So here's the whole of the left hand bit again. I'll put the right hand in as well so you can see how it fits. Slowing down and back to the beginning. Now I put the right hand in there, not for you to play it straight away, but you might just like to play along to that, but just doing the left hand part. Anyway, let's look now at the right hand part of this section now. So let's see what we've got. We've got, there's a little bar intro. By the way, ignore the repeat there. We don't normally do repeats in exams. Your right hand bit is going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's break that down a bit more. So you've got G up to D, like a hunting horn. Ba-dum-bum, which is probably the idea behind this. Some rural scene with somebody chasing across the countryside, charging around. That's your first bit. Then it starts on A, so that'll be your second finger. 2 A's going up. Now you probably want to do it smooth, but detach everything apart from this first bit. So ba 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 ba, then detach, then smooth, then detach, back, same again. Now watch out, these are crotchets. 1, 2, 3, getting quieter. Okay. So it's not hard to play hands together, but watch out because you've got quavers in the right hand, then quavers in the left, then quavers in the right, then quavers in the left. So it's potentially just a little bit confusing. So here it is really slowly for you. go back to the first section again.